They told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky
Recording in
thing.
progress.
No, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Hey, morning, Abe. You sounding under the weather.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad.
All right, nice.
Treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I was singing hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone gonna help me. Ain't nobody that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this.
Good morning, good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? You guys had a great weekend. Right, let me something here. Oh,
I'm not after juice, baby, but I walk in a room and I'm stumbling. Cruise down Melrose at the top, down in the
all right, give me a second, guys. We're gonna do some markups here with gold. How you doing, Nabil? Yeah, I feel better now. Thank you for asking. Okay, so what I like to do is I first of all go to the daily time frame, and just in case if you're wondering, oh, why am I not starting from the weekly or the monthly time frame? I don't do that because I don't have to. Me doing that, I'm just overcomplicating things. I'm not a swing trader, neither am I an intraday trader. I'm a day trader, or you can call me a scalper, whatever you want to call it. So, because of that reason, I do not need to go past the daily time frame. I'm just looking to get some money, and bam, I'm out. That is my strategy. That's the type of trader that I am. So, for that reason, that's why I started the daily time frame. The daily time frame already lets me know what's going on. For example, right now, I know that we are still bullish overall on the daily time frame, and it is kind of looking like we are also going to be switching to a bullish momentum, especially if we break this minor resistance here on the daily time frame. But as of right now, we still have that bearish momentum going on right now. So now I already know what to expect. But now the time frame I take my entries at, it's actually gonna tell me what my bias is going to be. Am I going to be looking for sell, or am I going to be looking for buys? Anyways, so now when it comes to marking up my chart, this is what I do. On the daily, I look for my swing low. I look for my most recent swing low, and then I look for my most recent swing high, or you can say previous swing high. So I have a swing high there on the daily. Now let me see what's going on with this music. Alright, so now on the daily I have my swing high and I have my swing low. Now it's time for me to look for my support zones on the daily time frame. And I have a daily support here. And I also have another daily support here. Now I'm need to look for my daily resistance. I got a resistance here. Alright, now I also have a daily minor resistance here. Okay, now I go to the 4 hour. I walk my way down. Now here on the 4 hour, I can see that on the 4 hour we have a 4 hour support here. Alright, and we have a 4 hour resistance here. I mark that. Okay, we adjust this a little bit, and also we have 4 hour resistance here. I actually don't need this daily resistance right there, because we got a 4 hour supply here, so I'm gonna use that. There's my 4 hour supply. And then we got another 4 hour supply right here, just at that resistance. Okay, so now I am done with the 4 hour time frame. Now I go to the 1 hour. Is there any zone I can mark up on the 1 hour? Yes, there is. Oh, wait, move this back. Okay, now we have a 1 hour support here. And we get, as of right now, a 1 hour minor support there. With a 1 hour minor resistance here. We've already broken above it because we closed above this wick right here. We'll see what this looks like on the lower time frame. If we have a bigger structure above this wick on the lower time frame, I'm going to delete this horizontal line, gray line, and this 1 hour resistance. But for now, we are going to leave it on there. Okay, so stripping. I'm trying to fix this music real quick. Okay, there we go. All right, now sometimes I will go to the 30-minute to see if there's some corrections I can make on the 30-minute. And looking at the 30-minute here, we already have a break of structure of this 1 hour resistance. And if we look at this 30-minute resistance right here, we're just trying to break above it now. So the fact that we have it above the 1 hour time frame, we don't need this right here, so I'm going to delete that. Now we go to the 15-minute time frame, which is the time frame that I take my trades on. Now here on the 15-minute, I can just have this horizontal line here, just to be able to identify this minor 15-minute or 30-minute minor resistance BOS here. So that's why the line is there. Now, looking at this here, what I see, based on the structure of the daily time frame, including the 4-hour time frame, I see us pushing back up. That's what I see. Because if we look at here to the left, even here on the 15-minute time frame, if you see this whole bullish move, every time we created a support, we pushed back up every single time. Right, except for right here when we had this break, but in higher time frame, this became a fake out. If anyone took a sell here on the higher time frame, or even here on the lower time frame, you got faked out of this and you just lost if your sales is up, your stop loss is above this minor resistance here. Anyways, now we formed another support here. We pushed up, then we formed another support here, pushed up, support, pushed up, support, pushed up. So this right here is telling me, as of right now, we have bullish momentum. Now, could there be opportunity for sales? Let me delete all this. Now, you also have to ask your question, is there an opportunity for sales? That is because you don't want to get stuck in a you don't want to get stuck in your head if you have a bias in the market and the opposite is actually happening. No, you don't want to be stuck. You want to be able to, you want to be confident enough to be able to take both positions. If you see buys, you like it, you take it. If you see sells, you like it, you take it. So you should always be ready as a scalper to take those two positions, because at the end of the day, there's what we call trend and there's what we call momentum. Okay, that's the reason why you want to be able to identify those two things and be able to execute. Now, as I was saying earlier, is there a position to take sales? Yes, there is, and it's going to have to be either back to this resistance or we retest this 15-minute supply. Or a 30-minute supply, whichever one we actually reject. Because previously we had this break of structure here. We had it on all the time frames, including the 4-hour. Okay, now we could just be trying to fill this gap right here to the left, and then we start falling. Okay, that's the area I am going to be looking to take the sells. Will I actually take the sells though? We'll see. But for me to take the sell, let's say we reject this 15-minute or maybe a 30-minute supply. I'm going to go take a look at a 30-minute in a second. And we actually reject, I'm going to need a support to be formed here in order for me to take a sell. Because if I go look at the 30-minute time frame right now, we have a support formed right here, and there is also a 30-minute demand right now, and we have that break of structure. The best positions to look for as of right now is to just look for buys because the momentum is actually bullish. So if there is a possibility to actually take sell, that's the kind of setup I'm going to need. Just wait for a support to be formed. After the rejection, we start breaking the support, I will be looking to take my sell because we could actually come back down, reject this 30-minute demand, we start to push back up, or we could come all the way back to somewhere here and reject this 15-minute demand right here. So let's take a look at the 30-minute. Nah, I like the 15-minute demand better. Yeah, this is not really clean. This 30-minute demand is not that clean either, but it's decent enough. Go to the 1 hour. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and use the 1 hour demand instead for now. Though I feel like I'm gonna keep it at the 30-minute. I think this is good. It's going to get to the 30-minute at least. But we'll take note of that 1 minute demand. I mean 1 hour time frame demand. So yeah, that's the only way I'm going to take a sell here. Aside from that, if we just keep falling down aggressively, then I'm just going to anticipate buys if one of these two demand zone. So that's what I'll be doing today on gold, guys. I hope all my speaking in tongues everyone understood. I hope I wasn't speaking in tongues though. How you doing, Rocha? Good morning, Janice. Good morning, Casper. Zoom, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. Oh, I said I was gonna check to see if we have a 30-minute supply there. Yeah. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. Don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. I just hope I feel better. Good morning, Jen. Do I ever send messages to people on Discord? No, I don't send any message to anyone. If anyone is messaging you on Discord, it's not me. If we reject this 30-minute supply and we should form a support, I won't see this demand holding. It's got a higher chance of holding if we come down aggressively. You managed to take the trade Friday, made 15 pips as I explained. What? What? Wait. Did God retest that supply on Friday? Anyone? Wow, were you watching gold on Friday after London session?
Man, all I remember was it started going. I think it was like, yeah, it was giant doji candle, and then didn't really bother. I think it was this one. It was this giant doji candle
Oh,
off the news.
you see how, man, you see this move right here. Once he rejected, I think we had the 4-hour or 1-hour resistance right here. So, and this one I'm talking about Friday real quick. Now you see when he rejected here. Let's say you took a sell. Let's say you took a sell below this minor support. This was when we should have came all the way down and even broke this low, minor low here. But look at what they did. Bam. Went the opposite way. Took out the sellers that stayed in this, and then bam, straight down. Straight freaking down. That's shady. That's shady as hell. Oh, it came down at least 20 pips. So that must be the one John took. But we should have started to fall down from here. But it didn't do that. We wanted some more money. Oh, you were looking for buys on gold on Friday after London session?
No two gon' do better, but you gotta love yourself first. Before I could be that brother, grow a little, gotta search. Get in touch with your feelings. No, you hate the 9 to 5. You live in the catch the spot. I'll be your Mufasa, I'm your Leo, I'm your lion. I don't really care about your health or your diet. No, you hate working and you working sick and tired. I can be the vibe, girl, the vibe that you trying to find. In my mind, yeah. You gotta say something to get my heart back, baby.
gotta say something. Say nothing, I'll find it through someone new. I close my eyes and I just hope it's you. Hope it's you, but you gotta say something. Whole house looking like a scene out of Insecure. Talking about dreams, but you think it fit. Floating through life cause it's sink or swim. Take what you want by the horns and ride. You only want.
There's no news today, but it's a Monday, so you'll see what happens today.
Spitting that flame like it's 99 and other girls from the 99 and 2000s. Know what's up when it's time to grind. You don't call or text me ever. Girl, I gotta see some effort. I don't mean no wine on Friday, but we chillin' watching Netflix. Get my mind, yeah. You gotta say something to get my heart back, baby. You gotta say something. Say nothing, I'll find it.
Man, I just want to know why some people want to just start beef between traders that's not even there in the first place.
Lost too much, too soon to say and keep quiet. Can't watch you walk out, you someone that I vibe with.
As if you're in competition with anyone else. I'm not in competition with anyone. I'm in competition with myself. To get better. And keep getting better. Better person, a better trader. Me, myself, and I.
I'm off for butt all night, so yeah, let me get in for a minute. I'm thinking the way that the wheels been spinning, I'm going against first. And a couple of inches, but yeah, she flooded the engine, and that's that 2-seat. That fumble brewski, stay loose, she off the truly. And I told that rock, but that ain't no excuse, she thinks that's bougie. I gotta move these right loose, she hit like brewski, and that proves you can't expect nothing but truth. I just be bumbling on you. I can't find the words to say what I want to. What we got is brand new. So we gon' take a time, got a lot we've been through. Fumbling on you. I can't find the words to say what I want to. What we got is brand new. So we gon' take a time, got a lot we've been through. She know that she got it, but she too humble to brag. Drop the ball on occasion, but never fumble the bag. She get up early and often, she gotta work for the man. While all these Instagram get paid to twerk on the gram. No offense, smoke a little bit to get her mind right. Never really yearned for the limelight. Spend a couple hundred for a cheap thrill. Wasn't really worth it in hindsight. Follow you, baby, why don't you show me the way? I know the one when I see her, I ain't gon' throw it away. Fumbling on you. I can't find the words to say what I want to. What we got is brand new. So we gon' take a time, got a lot we've been through.
Good morning, hello Iwala. Yeah, I feel better now. Are we gonna sell on the resistance king? No, we're not gonna sell right there. we got a bullish momentum right now, so even after the rejection, I'm gonna need to see a support formed before I take a sell. So for now, I am looking for buys. Except if we go all the way back up to the 4-hour resistance. This will have it. There we can potentially use a break of candle as break of previous candle as a sell entry.
It's Jigsaw.
Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm still going to wait for a support to be found. Yeah, even if we do get back to the 4-hour resistance, because we would have, because that means we just keep breaking highs. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for your support to be formed there as well before I look to take a sell. Because we could form support and then boom, break the highs again and continue bullish. So
I ain't about that talk, I'm about that action. Let's take a one-way trip, girl, what's happening? I just wanna see you smiling and laughing. Yeah, yeah. And the cares of the world really don't find me. Long as my girl stay close around me. Baby, hold me down, never leave me.
when the win rate was 60% earlier in the month, I remember you saying we should. Eh, I don't know. I can't see the last thing you wrote. Oh, you say you remember me saying we should check the win rate at month end and it will be close to 80. Yes, it is. You are the goat. Well, thank you. Thank you. I just know myself. I know what I'm capable of. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. Yeah, Tao. Yeah, I'm doing better. Zoom, what's going on? You guys are quiet today. Nobody's talking. Not even the chat. It's just boring.
I can barely talk, man. My mouth is like jacked up. Wisdom tooth on one side is like, what you call it? I forgot what it was called. It was like pericornitis or some shit. It's like
Okay.
the gum is like half covering the wisdom tooth, and it's like, oh, it's trickling out blood. My mouth sore shit.
Damn. Yeah, toothache sucks. Feel like toothache is the worst pain ever.
Yeah, it's like it's constant. It's giving me a headache.
Yeah. Man, I remember when I used to have like toothache consistently. Man, it wasn't fun
Yeah.
at all. Was not fun at all. Eventually, I had to get it removed.
Oh, yeah, dentist gave me a choice. He's like, you can keep it or remove it. I'm like, let's see how it goes. So far, it's not going too good.
Yeah, basically you should just remove it. Once and for all. I didn't say you had dental surgery. Are you talking to me or wow, Edwin? Wow, Batman said you're not wise anymore because of your toothache.
Nah, man, I got all my wisdom teeth. I should be wise as hell.
Yeah, I don't see this holding. I'm just hoping that this volume just freaking continues while London session opens.
Hey baby, tell me all your reasons for you leaving. Yeah, I kinda feel betrayed, this feeling. You ain't room for the home team in the season. Switching up
Well, they say you just need to go to the pub and mess with the biggest dude there. He'll sort you out. Oh man, that's funny.
I don't want to lose all my teeth, you know.
Just give him a tough time. Wow, that's all that matters. If he's a real man, he will respect you. That was how I used to. That was how I used to fight when I was fighting like 24/7. When I get in the ring with you, I'ma tease you, I'ma scare you. Pretty much, I'ma play with you, kinda first. Once I see that you're scared, it's a wrap. And I'm gonna do all that in the first round. Let me see. Damn, did anyone see they were fell out? Maybe once. Yeah, probably one time.
to take back all. You won't need some more reasons. You won't need some more.
You're from Pakistan. You love to see my trade, alright. Put the punk song on today. Yeah, I actually need us to break this 15 minutes up by there. And then we should get some rejection at this 4 hour resistance. And if we able to take a sell here, it's definitely gonna be a pullback trade because I do see gold going back bullish. Because we're currently creating highs here. We're not creating lows. I mean, we're creating highs, lows, highs, lows. We're not creating lows, high. Mm. Yeah, pretty much, okay. Yeah, we're not creating lower lows, lower highs. So bearish structure. We're creating bullish structure right now. So since you know that we are creating bullish structure, it's not a matter of when are we going to create, because we already have a higher high now. The question is, when are we now going to create a higher low, and how deep is that higher low going to be? That's the question now. All right, we're just waiting for price to tell us where we're going to create the new higher high. We are trying to create it now, but where are we going to actually create the higher high? Because in order for us to say, okay, this is our higher high, we need a resistance to be formed. Okay, if that is formed, then we're going to have our new higher high, and once the new higher high is formed, when it's formed, are we just going to create a support after the support and then start to push back up again to create new highs? We do not know. So if we create a new higher high, resistance formed, how deep is the pullback going to be for us to create a new higher low and then continue to push back up? That's the question. That we do not know. And that is why you want to wait for a support to be formed, because you don't know if price is going to break the highs and continue, right? But if a support is formed and then we start to break the lows, that means, let's say that happens here, that means we should come back down here, reject, and start to push back up, and this will be a new higher low for price to continue to create new highs, breaking this. But I do not want it to reject here. I actually would like to see it rejecting this 4 hour resistance area. But we'll see. That's what I would prefer. But it can still do it right here as well, because this gap that we have to the left has already been filled. Is this 15-minute supply gonna hold for us to have a pullback trade? And if we keep falling down aggressively, we either gonna wait for buys here or wait for buys here.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with
Oh,
stars. Not every light
and
is gonna
also, in
guide you,
order
baby.
for us
So
to
let it
keep
rain
this
on your
bullish
spark.
structure,
Keep it close to your heart.
we
Don't
cannot
let
break
the
below
pressure's
this
gonna
demand.
drive you crazy.
We
Close your
cannot break below
eyes
it
and
because if we break below
madness.
this
In the
demand,
morning, it's all gonna vanish.
there's a higher
Don't
chance
be
gold is
afraid
going to
of the
continue
dark.
bearish.
Be careful with
Because
stars. Not
if you look
every
at
light
this
is gonna
bullish move
guide you,
here,
baby.
once we broke this high at around
When I grow up, I'ma soar high like Peter Pan. Daylight in the town, my
2028.70,
dreams. If I'm waking up, it's in the
right?
fatherland.
Once we broke it,
Just
and
cover up
before
with
we
ice.
broke it,
Yeah, this
this
shit
was the
never
support that was
advertised. Sorry
formed.
if them all
So
involved
this
my
support that
emotions.
was
Saw you once,
formed
but I
has
knew
been
that's
the
what I
move
was.
that
Cause I was
kept
paid
pushing
for.
gold up.
Man, I know this what I came for.
But if it
Been
comes
paid.
back
All my
down
people, they do
and
whatever I
break
say so.
this
All my
demand
dreams
right
turn to
here,
Rambo. Yeah, chains on me like
we've
Django.
shifted
Money
back
on me from my tango.
to
Toss up the
bearish.
charge for them bankroll. And I'm
Because if you look
grinding,
at it, that price has to
grinding.
create a new
Head
higher
to the
low
top, I
for
won't
us to
stop until
continue.
I
We should
find it.
not
Got my
pass
name in
this
diamonds.
demand.
All these lights are blinding. I wonder
That will
if
be
you
the
can
new
feel
higher
it.
low
I'm losing
for
my
us to
mind, yeah,
continue bullish.
remind me.
But
Hmm.
if we break below this demand, that's not a higher low anymore. Instead, we have a new low formed for price to form a lower high and then bam, continue to fall. Now, if we now get back to this demand, there is a chance we could continue bullish at that point, and this rejection here will be the new bullish run. Or we could have something like this fake out and then bam, continue to fall. So if we keep falling and break this demand right here, I'm shifting to sales.
Since I blew up, everybody telling me that I'm the man. Same people gave me the finger, they
That's
reaching
why I
out
be
for the
telling
bigger
people
hand. And the
trading
bullets
is
still
just
came
not
through.
trading,
Told me
it's
hopping out
deeper
for the
than that.
pain. And the girl with me say she down for life, but she don't even know what's my real name. Just try to get what she came for. And ain't nothing I got saved up for. Cause when the money go out, everybody get a piece. But it's looking like I ain't on the payroll. Got a big house made
How
out of
you
J-Lo.
doing, James?
Plus
Yep,
the
that's
roof on
what
my
we
head
try to
though.
do
Still
every
a long
day.
way from my tank low. Cause my Tesla charge for them bank rolls. And I'm grinding. Money on my mind. And I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds. But all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah, remind me. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning, it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you.
What? The stream quality is a bit slow. Is everyone having the same issue? It looks good on my end.
Hmm.
James said it's okay for me and I'm in Africa. What do you mean by that, James?
Yeah, I turn up.
Except if you guys are talking about the resolution. And remember, I had to switch that the other day. Where was that? Was it on Friday? And you guys said it was okay. I didn't change it back since then though. I don't know what. What don't I know? Right to doing news or after news? After news. And if I'm going to trade news, at least an hour before the news. I don't know what I'm doing. Now at night, it's only going to get worse. Alright, Bosco, I hear you. I definitely don't know what I'm doing. That's your opinion. Don't go anywhere, okay? Make sure you don't go nowhere. And keep coming back. I don't know what I'm doing, and I have 13 wins and 4 losses. So all the 13 wins, they were just luck, right? Bosco, this is what we're gonna do. Me and you, we are going to go on Zoom. We're gonna go on Zoom. You share your screen, I share my screen. I want to see your MT5 account. I show you mine, you show me yours. Let's look at the trading history. If you don't agree to that, I don't want to see your message in my chat anymore. The next message I want to see is you agree to it. If you don't, I'm blocking you. Straight up. I'm not doing no FX book. because that can be faked. Nope. I want to see it virtually. That's what I want. You agree to that? Say yes in the chat. You don't even type anything in my chat. Or you know what? I'll even help you out. We'll go with the least funded account, $5,000. And let's see who's gonna get funded. I'll help you out. We go with that. Oh, thank you. I'll help you out. So I've given you three options to pick your poison. And let's go. You said I should ignore him. uh, I'm not gonna ignore this one. I'm gonna, I'm gonna return the favor. Oh man, YouTube, not even YouTube. It's Forex industry, most toxic industry I've ever seen.
Hey, ladies, I know it's getting cold out, you know, holiday season. I know them boys in your DMs, but once you come inside, I got some fire for you. Hey, I'm put together like extra efforts, it's how I'm living. And these pretenders, they so pretentious. I hope they understand I'm seeing through it. I speak a fluent, I never do it. And now the DMs, they be popping, every single time they dropping now. Bunch of boys on the gram, I swear. You need a man with no Peter Pan, I'll take it there. And you been looking like I really be a target. And I want you like you want me, baby girl, let's get it now.
Is there any 1K pro firm? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know of any. The least I know is 5,000 or 6,000, I believe. Yeah, you put 20K pounds that he will not take up the challenge. He's not said anything yet. Yep, exactly, kid. A bit match the energy.
We don't start fights, but we finish them.
Yep, exactly.
It's cold outside, won't you just come in? I got you, you know, forget them boys.
How you doing, Alfonso? No, Alfonso. Don't use the N word here. Yep, London is about to open. See what's up.
Now that everyone's looking, yeah. Didn't take long, like eyes when I walk into you, feeling of your red cup. And we got the same thing, probably like the same things. Didn't speak a word, but you know what's up. That connection is what you crave. You prayed on something to change. Fucked over 1,000 times, think everyone's the same.
Alright, London is open. Let's see what happens. This candle has no top wick. Are we gonna flip bullish? Tap the supply again and then flip bearish and start to fall? Or are we gonna close bullish and have a support form here? We shall see. You said 30 looks good. Yeah, I've kind of figured. But the 30-minute candle, the rejection candle is bearish, even though it kind of closed doji. And you guys know what my rules are when I'm looking for sales.
Tell the gang I'm out, call a lift up, lift you up. I go to town, stay for a while. They drop the ball, I hold it down. I'm playing center, but you the center of attention. I know you get the message, and the way I focus with lenses, custom made for me the metrics. Show you fit right in the schedule, and girl you fit like Lululemon. And yeah, lost for words. Tell me who's falling first, no mistakes. Girl you crossing me was got it work.
Yeah.
It's a good night, baby. Let it roll like the good times. Smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you. Yeah, you can see it, everyone can see it.
Yeah, as long as we do not break this minor resistance we have formed here, then yeah, we could still fall. But for me to take the sell, this candle has to close bullish. Whether we grab liquidity above this high and close bullish, whatever it wants to do, as long as it closes bullish, then we have a minor support here. Then I'll look to take the quick sells. Aside from that, I'm not interested in sells.
Mountains on the canyons blue. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shawty. It's okay, at the lake it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down. Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shawty. On the way to the lake, ooh yeah, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down. Pass me a
So if price gives us what we're looking for, I mean, if the market gives us what we want here for the sales, it should be in this trade in the next 15 to 30 minutes. So today might be a quick one and a quick win too. Not just a quick one, a quick win.
Drop the anchor down, we'll be here for a while. Got me thinking about all the good times coming our way. Oh, yeah.
One out would be nice. Well, that's what you got to worry about, Edwin. Not me. I get my 15 pips. I'm out. Bye bye. I ain't worried about runners. Do I think GJ will drop? Man, I'm not looking at GJ right now. Based on your analysis, Icy Pop, what do you think? What do you see? Give me an answer, then maybe I will look at GJ for you.
up, shawty. It's okay, at the lake, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down.
Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shorty. On the way, the lake, ooh yeah, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party.
Traders that took a sell right here, they're shitting in their pants right now. You know what? Goldman actually want me to smoke some ganja here for some motivation. So let me respond to Gold. As a person who has not traded before, what is my thoughts on starting with $1,000 investment with the help of an FA? Can you be specific? FA. I don't know what that means. The help of an FA. I already have a response for you, but I need to know what you mean by an FA. Really, Jan? Oh, EA. You think you meant EA? What? EA? If you're talking about EA, that's a 100% no. You said Bosco is back. Yeah, I see him. My answer is no. But hey, you can do what you want. Because based on what you wrote, said as a person who has not traded before, the fact that you've not traded before and the first thing you want to do is to invest in an EA, they already told me you're not interested in trading. You're just here for the money. And when you go with the EA and it doesn't work out for you, next thing you're gonna start saying is, hey, Forex is a scam, it's a scam, it's a scam. And you don't even have the right to call it a scam because you didn't even do nothing on your own. So like you traded on your own and then you lost all your money. So because of that, you won't even have any right to call Forex a scam. When I was learning how to trade, all I said to myself was, if this man or this woman can do it, man, what the hell? I can do it too. They don't have two heads. They have one. They have one head. They have two fingers. They human being like me. So if they can do it, I can do it too.
And if it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moments cause ain't no next time. Trying to slide with my people on the west side. Yeah, moving different than all the rest cause I'm about doing it different. New vision and no regrets. Man, I used to be a victim, repented of all my stress. Now excuse me, I'm just venting and getting it
it off my chest, yeah. Believing one day we all ball, but once you get your shot, just don't turn to a ball hog. Putting my team on, if I'm high, we all tall. Just know I got your back. If you down, then we all fall. That's loyalty, baby. That's right, that's right. Can't control it, but that's life, that's life.
John, you got jokes today, huh?
You only got one life and it do it fast, but oh, I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle. You just want a ball today. Tell me joy where it's hiding. I've been trying to find it before I go. You sick of all the same dudes running up. Follow you,
So I'm gonna put this right here. Remember, I said this candle has to close bullish. If it does not close bullish, we are not taking no sales. Alright, so we'll see.
Cause they don't see me like you do, yeah. There's nothing I won't do for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be whatever you need from me. I'll be.
Good evening from New Zealand. Oh, welcome. Oh, you're new here? Oh, wow, you got another neighbor. Is Logan here?
Welcome, welcome.
Is Logan here today? Oh, he's not here yet.
Always on my mind, you know I need that love. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. Fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that.
Why does it need to close bullish? I thought I explained that, but I will explain it again. The reason why this candle has to close bullish is because of what the structure is, the momentum. We have been creating higher highs and higher lows. We've been breaking structure to the upside. So in order for me to make sure that we're not just gonna give a fake out and then start pushing up and break the new highs, I need to wait for a support to be formed. And after a support is formed, there is a chance that we could continue pushing up and break the highs, or we could break the new lows that it formed, which is this support right here. If we form a support, and if we start breaking the support, we are going to continue to fall. So it's pretty much a confirmation for sales. But that's the reason why, though. The structure is the main reason. I'm pretty much trying to take a pullback trade here. So in order for me to do that, I need more confirmation, and that support being formed will be the confirmation if we break it, if we start to break it. You're welcome.
Told my girl to pipe down, need it right now. Lately I've been going to the lights.
You bought on UJ. I don't even look at UJ. I thought you asked me about GJ earlier. I can't look at nothing else right now. I need to see what gold is going to do after this candle closes.
what can I say? Ooh, I got them looking at me sideways. I can't take no days off. They know I can't. Lately I've been in a different mind state, and I got them tripping. I've been making hits, I don't got no time for misses. Shawty wanna ring, yeah, she tryna be a missus. I've been so ahead, I don't think y'all really get it. They been taking L's, they can't see how I've been winning. And I got a drip, so they see me making waves. They don't even see how many chances I done gave. I've been working hard, dog, I think I need a raise.
Alright. Definitely got a rejection candle here. Top wick is longer than the bottom wick. So let's see what's going to happen. Does news drive gold or price trend? What are my thoughts? Yeah, news does affect gold, of course, absolutely. Can we get 100 likes, guys? We only got 67. Can we get 100 likes? So we need 33 more likes. We got almost 200 people watching. I'm gonna enter. Yeah, once we start to cross the entry, I'm getting in. Victor, I'm not really a fundamental trader. I'm more in the technical side of things, so I can answer that question. You're gonna have to ask someone who's into, more into fundamentals than I am. If there's high impact news, I just wait until after the news before I look for a trade. So that's it.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes. Baby, you think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Ain't where the money at. Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily. And I'm the type of that might change my number on
Scandal now created a top wick. Are we going to flip bearish? Well, we wait and see. But the supply is currently holding. Oh, looks like we might flip. Uh-oh. Is girl gonna do it? Uh-oh, she's doing it. Oh. Let me get ready.
What you need, come on, just pay the fee. I supply it all. Went up the mountain
What's the lot size? Oh yeah, for the challenge, we close to 1200. Yeah, we can still do 0.3. Yeah, we'll actually be risking less than 10, but yeah, we can still do 0.3. So pretty much 0.3 until we get to 1500. We get to 1500, we'll increase the lot size. As long as we do not go below 1000, still 0.3, which we won't. We won't go below 1000. We're going up from here. Up, 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 and up all the way. Edwin, you've not even been trading the challenge with us. It's now 0.25. We got it 35 pip stop loss, yeah. Oh, well, am I wrong? Correct me if I'm wrong. Wow.
What happened? The lot size?
Yeah. I said 0.3. I said we can use 0.3. Edwin seems to think we should be using 0.25 because the stop loss is 35 pips.
We risking 100 on the trade, right? Like 10%?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's like 0.2.
Wait. I'm not. So we don't have.
Oh, wait,
Right?
because I'm talking about Australian dollars. So yeah, Edwin's probably right. 0.25.
So the balance. You over there have. You already have 12 something. You even close to 1300, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I'm at like, well, let's just say 1200. Right? So 10% of 1200 is 120.
Yeah, so if you're talking about that, then you're probably talking closer to 0.3.
And that's what I'm saying. As I said, as long as we're not below $1,000, we're still in the 10% mark. And the more money we keep making, it will get to a point where we will be risking less than 10%. Because let's say we have 1400 and we still have a 0.3 lot size and the stop loss is, let's say, 30 pips. That's still less than 10%.
You got to make up your mind, man. You said no changing of lot size until $1,000 has been made.
Oh, that's what I said? I thought I said 1500.
Oh, did you say that? Because I remember you said once we make 1,000, we withdraw and then we can, change the lot size or whatever.
Oh, no. I said once we double it, then I want everyone to withdraw 1000, which is going to be your initial deposits. Then we'll start all over with the same lot size.
All right.
Yeah, because now after you withdraw the $1,000 and we keep going, now you have profits. Everything you make is now profit. You don't have profit until you withdraw your deposits, which is going to be $1,000. That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. Yeah, so every five for now, every 500 we make, we increase the lot size. Probably not gonna be, a lot. It's probably just gonna be maybe like a 0.5. So maybe like then it will now be like 0.35. So I guess it's 10%. Yeah, 10% of 1500 is actually, I mean, depending on the lot size. So I mean on the stop loss. So but the maximum will be 0.35 for 10% over $1,500.
Get a minute, don't know. Get a minute of your time. Get a minute of your. Better. First job that I live right, and I'm never gonna let you out of my side. I've been knocked out, was a nice try, but I guess I get to keep my.
You said what is my time of starting of trading session and ending? London session, I'll say 2 hours for me. And then 2 hours and 30 minutes maximum. But I usually like to just be done in two. If I don't get a trade within 2 hours, I just want to be, done. And then for London for NY session, 3 hours. Could have been you were trading you were taking the $1,000 challenge also. I didn't know you were. Oh, Lena, did you start yet? Is she here? I remember you said you were gonna start on the 24th.
Yes, I have.
Oh, you started?
Yeah, but I haven't placed any traders yet.
Oh. You didn't take
deposited in my account, but I haven't placed the traders yet.
Oh, you didn't take the gold trade on Friday?
I didn't trade Thursday, Friday. I didn't trade. I was working.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, just info for the people. Okay.
Should have it. Stop illusions. It's in your hands. Show yourself, reveal it to the yeah, you better take the time to recognize it. You won't leave me even if I tried it. You're the artist, I'm the mess, and happily be found the new in your hands.
Taxes, do you, oh, you meant, do you really have to worry, do you really have to worry about taxes when you're trading? Absolutely. If you live in the US, I don't know about any other any other country. Bull, what? Bull hit when? I don't know what you mean. Let's see, do we have 100 likes yet? Nope, we don't. We need 12 more likes. If you have not liked this stream, you know yourself. You know yourself. Just do the right thing by liking the stream. Mm.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change. Keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. Why stay the same? You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights. Lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh.
Another like first, no problem to start the day.
You see us cooking recipes. You hit fake, then who gon' hurt this? I naughty night, you lullaby. I'm doing me, it's do or die. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change. Keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights.
Previously, every support that we have formed in this bullish run drove gold up. Another reason that we're waiting for support before we actually take anything else. Start breaking below, we're coming down. Break this high, let's cancel this out. It's looking good. Possibly.
I just grabbed the pain, I'm really going for an even code. Jesus took the reins, cause God ain't going out of season though. You can join our table, I know it's no fun to eat alone.
You might get some volume in 23 minutes, possibly.
So I never got the stress on me. No use at the table in the presence of my enemies. Life and patience wrestling, but I know what you said to me. They can't try to table me, cause I know that you bled for me. Yeah. You can't miss, no, you pay for my life. You don't switch, no, you stay by my side. Help me listen and wait on your time. You can't miss, no, you pay for my life. You don't switch, no, you stay by my side. Help me listen and wait on your time. Yes, I'm the one that you love. Grace from above. Give me back my life, you brought me out of the mud.
And another thing, how you should know that gold has shifted from bearish to bullish, because when we created this low here, which was a previous lower low, we failed to create new highs. Rejected here, created a new low here, didn't even break below this one here, not to talk of the lows at 2009.51. So we failed to create new lows. So looking at that, you should know that you got a bullish structure now, or bullish momentum with gold. No, I'm not in. No, sir.
Yes, I'm the one that you love.
Mm-mm. This candle closes in about 4 minutes.
Certain things ain't the same now. Hard to navigate these problems. I'm by myself, you're not around. I tried to open up, it wasn't good enough. Put in my all and got nothing back. Now I'm stuck in the rain, dealing with all this pain. Why you gotta do me like that? Don't say you love me, then go and leave me. It can't get ugly, trust and believe me. Say it to myself, looks so deceiving. Trying to fight back, this far from easy. I see your hands. Delilah, don't you know my eyes see your hands? Delilah, don't you know my heart turned cold, lost control. Looking at this beautiful distraction. Fell in love with a fatal attraction. I really let my guard down, now relaxing. Why did I open up? She taking way too much. Put in my all and got nothing back. I'm feeling so ashamed, I fell into your game. Why you gotta do me like that? Don't say you love me, then go and leave me. It can't get ugly, trust and believe me. Say it to myself, looks so deceiving. Trying to fight back, this far from easy. I see your hands. Delilah, don't you know my eyes see your hands? Delilah, don't you know my gave you all of me, had me so deceived. You chose to leave my life, so I'm on my own in a cycle.
Oh, we actually didn't take nothing on Friday because, yeah, I had to get off. Didn't take nothing on Friday, it was on Thursday. That sell we took on Thursday, man, how long was we in that sell for? Just remember I had to get off because, man, I was getting tired.
Yeah, I think we waited like forever and then got in and waited even longer.
That's why I can't remember how long we was in it for. Ooh, Busco says, guys, get ready. We are taking off to the moon. What kind of confirmation am I looking for? Break of these new lows.
We say, ooh, that's it. Say what I feel is the fact. She said she feel it right back. Got sentimental, locked the momentum, said what I meant though. Yeah, I got what I give, can't block what it is, and I'm not one to trip or flake. If the plot got thick and we got off script, I won't just dip, I stay. Let the incense float out, and defenses go down. Let the pot get big, if I lost my chips, I'll process it and say, it's alright. That's life. Let
Let those cycles twist. When the highs go dip, then I go ride. Hold tight. That's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles twist. When the highs go dip, then I'll go ride. Hold tight. Yeah, that's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright.
I look for a seamless openness and conversation and vulnerability. Those are the things that make me feel connected to somebody.
You said don't knock walking. We spend all night locked in. Couldn't pick a movie, got too goofy, then hit pause on talking. Just a little vignette, cap with a little finesse, yeah. Laugh with the men on your breath, with the pen in your left and the other on my neck active. Make me wanna say and do big things, moving.
GJ a 1 minute business. Okay.
What's the plan? I know what's the new one, lots to improve on. Gotta just take the chance, it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles twist. When the highs go dip, then I go ride. Hold tight. Yeah, that's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles twist. When the highs go dip, then I'll go ride. Hold tight. Yeah, that's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright.
Good morning, how you doing? Oh, Bosco took the buys already. Okay, well, he's expecting the continuation. We could continue. I'm not disputing that fact, but am I willing to take a buys right here, even if it breaks the highs? Nope, I'm not. That's not how I trade. And earlier I already said gold is bullish, so the sales that I will be taking, it's probably gonna be a pullback trade, because if we reject from here, I do not see it breaking these lows, because if it breaks this low right here, gold is just gonna do this and continue to fall. So this is pretty much what I am anticipating that she's going to do here. Come back down here, reject, and start to push back up again. So we'll see if we're gonna pull back here. If we break the highs, then That means we're not ready for that deep pullback yet. When you've been in this industry for a while, you'll understand in this example that if we bullish, right, price has to create a higher low before it continues bullish again. It's that simple, man. What I pretty much just explained here is pretty much what happened here. Previously, we get it. We had this bullish move. What did we do? We came down to create a higher low, and then we continue. That's pretty much what I am anticipating here if it holds. Can you sell now? Well, AJ, if you sell now, you're on your own. You are on your own if you sell now. My country, they'll say, oh, you're lower. Your own.
Running, you are all I needed, baby, now I'm buzzing. Yeah, she said I didn't change, I said you to stay the same, swear she used to have
oh, man.
Them excuses got me jaded, I see that you never grew from cracks off in the pavement, all them likes on Instagram don't really mean you made it. She said I didn't change, I said you to stay the
Hopefully
same.
I'll be a full American soon. As soon as I get my passport. Get my passport, I'm definitely voting for Trump. Every single Forex or stock trader definitely will want Trump to win. People like, nope, that's what we want. That's what we want.
I see that you never grew from cracks off in the pavement. All them likes on Instagram don't really mean you made it. She said I didn't change. I said you to stay the same, baby. You running in place, yeah.
I stopped checking in on you. I gotta plan my career. You don't let resentment emerge, but on the surface the damage is clear. That fake ass hospitality you showed me, I kept the bandages near. You let the money.
He said make trading great again. Exactly.
But I leave it up to your panel of peers to add to your fear of being accepted. Cause I think you needed this message. If they say karma's a bitch, then it's mimicking you, cause I see the resemblance. And you got a following now. But don't mistake it as some fame. I'll get to calling you out. And please don't make me name no names. You deserve it though.
Even GJ is not the same anymore.
But I take the high road while you self-destruct. I level up.
Running, you are all I needed, baby, now I'm buzzing. Yeah, she said I didn't change. I said you to stay the same. Swear she used to have a plan, but now she doesn't. Them excuses got me jaded. I see that you never grew from cracks off in the pavement. All them likes on Instagram don't really mean you made it. She said I didn't change. I said you to stay the same. revelation.
If we're not in the trade in the next 1 hour and 1 hour 5 minutes, yeah, we're gonna end this trade. Hopefully we take a position before then. If volume is gonna come kick in after this candle closes, that should happen. Mm-mm-mm.
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to know it. That's the stuff that I love, la la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friends, but we rocking all the same things. Say you need me, but you really tryna change lanes. Well, I don't even care. In my life, I don't battle with no fear. Fighting dragons, always been a real one. Hate you saying showing love, you a real chameleon. Get the facts freaking straight, always on repeat. Like, we could be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do.
Check GJ. Oh, I can't check GJ right now. And stop spamming, Cyan. I'm trying to trade gold. You telling me to check GJ? Check the timeout. Yeah, we still got an hour, okay, a bit.
Got me free about the other day you paid for me. Cut the bondage, now it's falling, it was chained to me. I look up so I can see who I was made to be. Swear your love got me so free, it's like a lesson, alright. Grab my hand so you can leave, thought I was helpless at night. I know this is not
Oh, Cyan. Oh, I just told you.
I was surrounded by my enemies. Yeah, I thought I hit the ground, it was the enemy. Now I see you never leave, it's all serenity. Look up, live through the rush. Left the feet behind, can't catch me missing it once. Nah, look up, I can see love, I can see you one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nothing gonna take all of my blessings. God wrote the story, can't finesse me, nah. Nothing gonna take all of my blessings. Nah, nah. Just cause there's resistance don't mean you ain't there. Sometimes I gotta take the step for me to see the way clear. Yeah, you look at me and smile, I never see you place there. And I believe you take care. You ain't ever leave me behind. I got you.
Oh wait, did somebody said Bosco already took buys? Well, win or lose, he's gonna learn from it. King above in marine, turn to fun at least, even if you don't. What? Even if I don't win, I'm winning. I'm winning the trade and I'm winning the fight. Whether I take sales or buys.
I'm just gonna trust right what you're saying. You never play. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never play. I know that you work every trial for good if I stay and be patient. I'm just gonna trust right what you're saying. You never play. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never play.
I was there for 15 minutes setup to 1 hour setup.
Yeah, move up. Yeah, you kicked them up, you perfect love. Yeah, darkness and shadows go fall in the battle. I think your kingdom is come. Yeah, I cannot run. Yeah, surrender, you fill up my cup. Yeah, reason to strive. Yeah, you look me in the eye. I've been your son. Yeah, I thought that I was going out my mind. I was lost, but then you came and saved my life. I had nothing, then you came and made it right. I'm just gonna trust right what you're saying.
Elijah, I don't know what you're trying to say. I don't understand that language. I'm good, Jawad, and you?
When I walk in the valley, yeah, you're there with me, yeah. Letting go worries, letting go doubt, letting go fears, yeah. My weakness strong when it's in your strength. Pride is gone, better catch my breath. Gotta give it all hands on deck. You done it before, so do it again. Cause I won't beat you the most. Cause I know you got me, so that's all she wrote. Cause you are the one I am trusting. I'ma give it all to you.
I'm just gonna trust right what you're saying. You never play. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never play. I know that you work every trial for good if I stay and be patient.
You're good, that's good.
Brought me right through the valley and stand on the mountaintop.
Thank you.
No more reason to doubt, 'cause your love is a fountain drop. Now I won't be scared if I'm gonna make it out or not. tripping, baby, you know you invited. Acting like you know what's up, but you ain't psychic. Told you nothing going down, but you ain't like it. I told you nothing going down, why you excited? So if you want a song, go and get the one. Show me the money, get the money, let's go down, down. Break it when we make it all, make it all, break it all.
2 hours of pure butter. Yep, there you go, kid a bit. Hashtag trading.
You out this world, need some space for me. I'm out here, girl. I'm back up in the street. So I don't really got time to fuss and fight no more. Wait, you really got time to fuss and fight?
Should play a song that would ginger us.
Everything I said has been true. Love you, then he ditched you. Nobody knowing what we into. Not the cause of what you've been through. I know what you can do. Why you tripping, baby? You know you invited. Acting like you know what's up, but you ain't psychic. Told you nothing going down, but you ain't like it. I told you nothing going down, why you excited? So if you want a song, go and get the one. Show me the money, get the money, let's go down, down. Break it when we make it all, make it all, break it when we make it all, make it all.
I'm in, guys. I'm in the cell.
Ba-da-da-da. What if we could plan it out? Cabo for a week, Paris for a day, oui. You can come and be my babe, you can see what a gentleman I am. Yeah. What if we could plan it out? Party in the streets, like the golden days at the beach. Family buzzing in my air like a bee. Maybe you could chill. All this stuff I have up in my head, I just wanna do. Maybe if you come, then you can hang. You can meet the crew. We could even chill out at the park like we did in school. Take you back to when you was a kid. Everything was cool. Hope you never lose track. Life's a little hard when you're not home, yeah. Yeah, I've been going and going, but still on my own, yeah. I'm a soldier, I fight for what's right, so my heart's just been fighting for you. What more can I do? I just wanna put you in a box like some. Keep you to myself, you know I don't wanna share no options. If I finally tell the truth,
Oh, Bosco. Oh, Bosco, wait.
Pass for a day, ooh-wee. You can come and be my babe, you can see what a gentleman I am. Yeah. What if we could plan it out? Party in the streets, like the golden days.
I don't know what you're trying to say, David.
Maybe you could chill.
안녕하세요. Shawty, you beneficent for real. Tell me how it feel to be the one I meet. Only need a week with you, baby. You so bad, I cannot speak. Shawty, where you been at? I wish I known you sooner, so we hit the mat like judo. But I guess it's all okay though, cause we jumping on a plane. US dollars to some pesos on my mind like I'm insane. You my babe, we can go wherever you want. I got lemon in my water and these ropes that you got on. with this 4-course meal and this nice red wine. Don't hold it all inside. You my number one.
You're in the sales, Nicholas. Alright. I'm closing out at 15 pips. Pretty much around here. Pretty much around 28.50. We get 15 around there or even before we get there.
I will be your shield in the fiercest battle.
Time to roll up a spliff.
From all these arrows and the sword I wield will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
You closed already? Oh, what did you get, Ted? Honestly, I'm expecting not to see nothing but bearish candles here. But we'll see what we do here. We're trying to hold on to TP, Edwin? Or you take partials along the way?
You may be facing tribulation, but don't let it get you down. What I'm saying may take patience, but you're gonna make it out. I scratch my own 2 feet to pull you to safety. When the fires are burning, burning like crazy, carnage jealous, but you won't feel no pain. I will take your place, I will be your shield. I will be your shield in the fiercest battle I'll defend you.
You sold from 2032.53. Oh, okay. Hmm. Oh, so that should have given you at least 15. Well, what was my confluence rather than the break of the previous low? What previous low? Thank you, Aftermath. Neville, TP here is 26.42, 2026.42, but I won't be holding until it gets there. I get 15, I'm out. The way this previous candle closed, I'm not expecting any bullish candle here.
Spending coins like it's nothing. Baby, jump in. Baby, jump in. I got jokes for you. Not just smoke with you. Now you want smoke.
See what this market is going to do. Share my playlist. I don't think I can share my playlist because I'm not using Spotify or Apple Music. Those of you typing W's in the chat, you got. I'm assuming you guys got that already. All right, African Boy FX. You're still in? Yeah, I'm still in too. I didn't even see 5. Not to talk of 10 or 15. You're still waiting for 15? Yeah.
I don't need no more good reasons to leave the seasons. This breezes Jesus. The seizures about as cool as my t-shirt. This chick is old school like Shelto Adidas. She feed me shellfish, I need it. Since I don't eat beef or chicken, pork always bleeding. Y'all had enough of your summer, go leave and go back to Bummer, Ohio. Why only wild out on the weekends? I'm on a surface safari with a stunner for certain. Sir, I'm sorry if you only thought of putting just your feet in. Now repeat it. I'm on my way.
You're looking for buys at 24.8. Possibly Professor X.
Get the babysitter paid and don't go home now. I be known, but don't forget phone calls out. But it goes two ways like a freak so wild. I was there to get a seat. I was good up in the house. My thoughts are so unique. I may blow now. Bloody Mary mix with beer, beer. La, 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 la.
scalps. Don't sleep on me. Free soul free. Show me light, show me better days. I keep on spending, I need to fucking save. My mind is on, it's on another wave. Thinking all these thoughts and they possess my head for days. It's funny how they never change. True odds is probably getting rich from counting all this little change. Growing till I get a range, rise until I light a wave. Ghetto like my lingo. Show me light, show me brighter days. Funny as a kid, I was overly hyper. Nowadays I'm anti like I've been with your uncle. Baby, you could fall, but I'd rather that you stumble. Make sure that you're full, but your belly's always humble. I'm a sweet kid, I could be your apple crumble. Watching niggas turning phony. Red button every time that they phone me. I stay up on my sexy lonely. Feel better when I'm fucking lonely. Show me the way. Show me. Show me escape, erase my pain, take me to faith. Show me the way, show me escape, show me escape, erase my pain, take me to faith. Everybody's out to get me, I'm only joking, they can never get me. Demons always trying to fucking test me. Dealing with a lot of shit, call it large intestine. Show me light, show me better days. Mix the ambience with some fucker haze. Illusion.
Hey, you said big time.
I'm pretty, but I play an ugly game. I need light, I need these brighter days. Money on my mind, I'm cashing out with my mastermind. Green leaf blowing, now I'm high. Sorry, I ain't set to die. Spread the wings before you fly. Awake, that's a conscious mind. Hennessy, the drink of mine. Sipping it for quite some time. I read it when I see the night, cause I'm closer to my darker side. Energy and vibe, so I make it through the night. Must side living, but I need a better sight. Must side living, but I need a better sight. Give me light, give me light, give me light. Show me the way, show me.
Yeah, that kind of close bush. I'm still bearish. Let's see why. Oh, mine closed bullish actually. Yeah, just here on the 15. The love for gold is love regret. Nah. Do I use MetaTrader? Yes, I do. Yeah, James, I said I'm trying to quit vaping. I haven't.
Take that chance, little mama. Spin around, drop to your dance, little mama. Bottle in the booth, get the check, get aroma. Beat it up, got the pussy in a coma. I don't understand how you moving that way. Giving you my all, hero day or for the day. Broke boy city tough, yeah, you could've had a VA. Shorty, I'm all you need, yeah, but I'm gonna lose my self-control. I'm not off the juice, baby, but I walk in the room and I'm stumbling. In the news, baby, what a man gotta do to get up in it. Cruise down Melrose with the top down in the Astons. Tight like Velcro, we can talk about all of your passions and the fashion. Or we could fit a drink in the space on your passport. Driving to your place with the brace on the dashboard. Straight to the jeweler from the bank, back boy. I can get you anything you need if you ask for it. Every time I'm dropping the top on the asset, swear my heart is colder. Show me that love and we get to romance it. Can't deny that I'm coming over. Know you put the work in, buy you a Birkin, I'm certain you're my Cinderella. No, it's not perfect beyond the curtain, but baby, when you drip down in my gela, feel some type of way. You give me the time of day. I don't need no space, I don't need to imitate. Show you the finer things, couldn't give less of a fuck what they say. No, I mean what I say, ain't no need to hesitate. I'm not off the juice, baby, but I walk in the room and I'm stumbling. Loose in the noose, baby, what a man gotta do to get up in it. Cruise down Melrose with the
I only trade gold now. Yes. Now in London. I don't trade GJ anymore. Buy? What are you buying over here? Oh, George, I don't know how to pronounce your name. GJ Sell, I don't know about GJ. Oh, man.
If you're trying to find love, no, it's hard to keep. Even when it get tough and you wanna leave.
Gold added to bets lets you wait.
Writing love letters from my broken English. Don't say what it said. I'm wishing you well. Set the time and place and I'll meet
Yeah, Killer Doom. I agree. Of course, New York has more volume when it comes to trading gold. Volume and volatility. How can you use my coupon on Funded Nest? Yeah, all you have to do is type King Abe and use that as your discount code. That's all you have to do. GJ short on spot. Okay. Don't know where you and go to Fundedness website or click on the link in the description. Once you click the link on the description, I don't even think you need to enter a coupon code, a discount code. It should take it off automatically because you're using my link. If you clicked on my link and you don't see the option, that's why you didn't see the option to put in a discount code. Because you get it automatically.
Two separate time zones. Either way, we going all night long. Up late, smiling at your iPhone. I know the memes that I sent got you laughing your ass off. You still buzzing off flash.
Sometimes good and will eat people up like suya.
Room to you, I'ma come scoop you.
Let's rendezvous. Skip all that waiting, I'm coming to you. Swoop you at 10, have you back home in June. Shotgun the coupe, destination no more. Yeah, yeah.
Wow, you saw 15 yet?
You're the only one I wanna
Just about to.
ride, then I'm down the road.
Wow.
Ride around and kick it like
Oh, you was because it started pulling back.
Go. Yeah. I mean, it's like at 40 right now, just sitting. Okay, got it.
Wow, I didn't think I almost did the pull back on me. And if you got 15, you can either, close or take partials, move SL to BE. Your choice. I didn't yet. Almost did. Move back on me.
Buzzing in the mood, sending something in the nude, that's your best work. Left with the feels, right or wrong. You know I keep it black and white with you like ref shirt. While we typing, I'd rather FaceTime. You know
So you closed it on the challenge, right? Wow.
Answer with your waistlines, taking up the whole.
Yeah, I closed full. This thing's moving so slow.
On the challenge or on both your accounts?
Oh, on everything.
Oh, okay. Yep. You saw 13? Yeah, that's what I saw too. I think I was a little bit late on that entry because usually I secure first before everyone.
Yeah,
Can you
you're probably like just a pip late or something.
maybe. Can you imagine? I'm the one freaking calling the trade and I'm still in it. I'm still waiting for 15. You should have waited for me to close first before you close. That would be more money for you. You never know,
No,
huh?
I'm good.
You should have waited for me to close first.
She said that she hate me, I hate me too. I can always tell when you're lying, girl, you're see-through. All these miles away, yeah, I just wanna see you. Baby, give me good face, she hit me like seafood. Remember when I saw you?
Yeah, I saw 12 and it pulled right back on.
I'm a dog, no Maltese. I don't wanna leave you. Once you're right here, I just don't wanna mistreat you. No, cause I've been a douchebag before, baby girl. I don't wanna repeat. She just won't please me. She look in my eyes, told me, why are you bleeding? And I don't even know how to answer. I take these drugs to my bladder. She says she noticed a pattern. She say I look gorgeous. I tell her I'm flattered, but
And that would be crazy. I think this keep dancing around that 12. Come on, for this kind of, oh, come on, man. Uh, oh, come on, man. I almost got it. You close, Bevan? Okay. Damn, come on, man. Before this kind of flips. You get out if you're in a breezer. As long as stops is BE. I don't like price actions like this. The way this bearish candle closed, this should be a bearish candle. This next candle should be bearish. See if he's just trying to create a top wick and then continue. I was about to close at like 14.5 and then damn, didn't even was pull back. Yep, that's the only thing I'm worried about now. 4 hour. Even with the 4 hour, it should still fall. But I just wanna be out before that. So I'm gonna move my stops to BE here. Just YouTube chat, congratulations to you guys. We've not taken we've not taken any loss on stream so far. That's good. We are doing good.
If I'm being honest, loving you the hardest thing to do, so I keep to myself. I feel like I'm falling in and out of consciousness. Yeah. Now we starting to talk, let's killing all the progress. Really hard to process, you treat me like an object. Baby, we toxic, can we stay on topic? I feel like we lost it, feel like we lost it. Take my love, don't waste it. Even though I don't mind waiting. Late test, my mind racing. What else I have to do, girl, to praise what you. I only want you, yeah. I only want you. I only want you. Pull me closer.
You're welcome, Red. So this is what win on stream. Yeah, we barely took any trades on stream this month. That we just get is last of the month. Can you join? It's not last of the month. We still got January 30 and we got 31st. Still got 2 more days. And what are you trying to join? Don't know. Am I on a buy? What? We didn't take a buy, we took a sell. We took a sell.
To get my mind, yeah. You gotta say something.
Mentorship? Oh, you can join anytime you want.
You gotta say something. My skinny jeans, your leggings. No two gon' do better. But you gotta love yourself first. Before I could be that brother. grow a little, gotta search. Get in touch with your feelings. No, you hate the 9 to 5. You live in the catch this vibe. I'll be your Mufasa, I'm your Leo, I'm your lion. I don't really care about your hair length or your diet. No, you hate working and you working sick and tired. I can be the vibe, girl, the vibe that you trying to find. Get my mind, yeah. You gotta say something to get my heart back, baby. You gotta say something. Say nothing, I'll find it through someone new. I close my eyes and I just hope it's you. Hope it's you. But you gotta say
Good starting to feel like your mother-in-law always tried the opposite and make you eat your nails before walking along. And sure, it's hard to make you wait.
Take what you want by the horns and ride. You only want truth, but they told you lies. Get on your knees when you pray to God, and that's a capital G when I'm saying God. Really want you when I say it's time. Spitting that flame like it's 99, and other girls from the 99.
Oh yeah, kid a bit. That's why I say he can join whenever he wants to.
I don't mean no wine on Friday, but we chillin' watching Netflix. Get my mind, yeah. You gotta say something to get my heart back, baby. You gotta say
You
something.
new here, Simon? Welcome.
Say nothing, I'll find it through someone new. I close my eyes and I just hope it's you. Hope it's you, but you gotta say something. Lost too much, too soon to say and keep quiet. Can't watch you walk out, you someone that I vibe with. No IG posting, we just moving in silence. Yeah,
The buyers must be drinking 1 or 2 Coke. That's funny.
To get my heart back, baby.
Thank you, Simon. And what time do we start our session? It depends on whether there's news or not. If there is no news, we start 30 minutes before New York session opens, and that's 6:30 a.m. CST, my time. And if there's news, we start at NY Open, which is 7 a.m. my time. You get everything on Zoom, in the Discord. You're welcome. This kind of try to flip bearish. If the 4-hour candle opens bearish, we could actually drive down to break this low, even if it has no wick, before we flip.
Fumbling on you. I can't find the words to say what I want to. What we got is brand new.
Is it possible to upgrade your monthly plan to yearly? No, as of right now, no. But what you can do is I could cancel this one that you have right now, and then you just get do the yearly, or you wait. Well, finally got my 15 and I'm out of there. I'm out of there.
Know that she got it, but she too humble to brag. Drop the ball on occasion, but never fumble the bag. She get up early and often she got
Alrighty.
man. While all these Instagram get paid to twerk on the gram. No offense, smoke a little bit to get in mind right. Never really
If you just got out with this trade with me,
thrill. Wasn't really worth it.
spam the W's in the chat.
You show me the way. I know the one when I see her. I ain't gon'
Even if all I made you was $5, spam W's in the chat. It's still money. That's another $5 you didn't have before. Lamizo, why do you always call me Lion King? Why my mic sounds so funny? I'm using my headphone mic. And then I wasn't feeling good. So that's probably what's going on. My voice is not really back yet. This is someone else's voice. Hmm, where is Bosco? Can somebody find Bosco for me? Who can find
Oh
me
shit! Didn't that
Bosco?
guy take a bite?
Yep, he did. I need someone to find me Bosco. Bosco, where are you? Where art thou? Oh man, YouTube. If you're not careful, if you don't know what you're doing, shit, some of them will just confuse you. You start looking at what you know is not there. Yeah, even if you wanted to take buys, you should have waited. It's very clear that his strategy is different from mine. That's why he shouldn't have been saying all those trash he was talking about. People will learn and they'll learn the hard way.
If he was a real man, he would still be here and he would apologize and say he was wrong.
Earlier, he just said you win. They will learn. You don't want to argue with a supply and demand trader. You don't want to. Just keep your mouth shut and watch. You don't want to. Because there's an 80% chance you'll be wrong. We followed our plan, then we waited for our setup, and we took the trade. It's that simple. Yep. Man, YouTube, they're all leaving. They didn't even say goodbye. Can you imagine?
I can. I can imagine.
At least say goodbye. And we actually flipped right before the freaking 4 hour candle open. That's crazy. Mm,
Yeah. They waited for the last minute and then just smashed it down.
yep, pretty much. You staying in money promo? Oh, Shan, are you in the Discord now? Are you in Zoom right now? Are you in Zoom right now, Shan? Let's see. Ah, no, you're not. I was expecting your message in Discord so I can um fix the issues you were having manually.
Okay, you know how I go. Hey, yeah. Okay, you know how I go, and I'm always on my own. And you running through my mind, and the weather's getting cold. And my homies getting cuffed, and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up in my phone. Yeah, you know. I'ma hit you on a late style, we don't gotta waste no.
Okay, when you do, just send me a message in Discord.
Come through when you find what you went for. I remember you, girl, you my nympho.
Why am I looking for goodbye? They got what they wanted, and now it's time to go. I know. I was just trying to make a joke. Alright, YouTube, thank you guys for hopping on. All my links is down below in the description, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as well. If you want access to any of my programs, the link is down below in the description. Thank you guys, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Peace, I'm out. Alright, Zoom. I'll see you guys during New York session. That's in a few
Thanks,
hours. Alright, see you guys later.
Thanks.
Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things.
Recording stopped.
What fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down. I don't wanna let myself down.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back.